basically a similar kind of pattern.
इस उर्दू वाले में ये तो नहीं लिखा कि मैं आज़ाद होना चाह रहा हूँ या मैं वो सर्टिफिकेट जो एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट है वो विड्रॉ करना चाहता हूँ।
जी बिल्कुल सर, but I agree sir, I agree. What he says instead is issue me the symbol for shuttlecock.
नहीं, पहले बैट का कहा,
पहले बैट, if that's not available then shuttlecock.
उसने कहा कि अगर बैट अदालत से ना मिले
बिल्कुल
तो शटलकॉक दे।
बिल्कुल, तो उसको
does it mean that he was independent?
My lord, he contested. देखें सर, इसके ऊपर मेरा सबमिशन ये है कि they are certainly independents, and with utmost respect to them, and it's for the appellant to clarify also, how can they not claim to be independents? Because only independents, this is undisputed hopefully, that only an independent can join within 3 days. And they have joined under Rule 62(9). So, sir.
ये देखे ना, इसकी आप जो तरतीब आपने बताई, फर्स्ट नॉमिनेशन जिसमें कहा कि सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल अलायंस, फिर पीटीआई टिकट,
that's right,
देन पीटीआईएन का भी टिकट आया है।
पीटीआईएन का सर टिकट नहीं है, उसकी वो स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन है।
उसके बाद, उस डिक्लेरेशन के बाद कहा कि सिंबल मुझे
दे दो, then he asks for
उस डिक्लेरेशन के मुताबिक टिकट नहीं आया।
डिक्लेरेशन के साथ नजरियाती जो लिखा है उसका टिकट फाइल हुआ है?
नहीं हुआ। इस रिकॉर्ड, इस वाले में नहीं है सर वो।
There's only one certificate.
So there is like one half of something. He needs to.
एक second that are factually clear.
बिल्कुल सर।
We don't need to spend so much time on it, but the certificate that's on the record for Sahibzada is only of PTI.
Sir, the certificate.
The other is just a declaration, but does not have a certificate with it. That's his own self-styled document.
Let me put it this way.
The document of the party is only one.
Yes. So his party, my lord, may I clarify it in a little bit though? His party affiliation ticket, his party affiliation certificate is of PTI, and his statutory declaration of person nominated affidavit is of PTI.
It is the certificate, you see. So certificate एक ही है ना?
The certificate एक
So
ही है.
he is there. He goes into the elections with a certificate of PTI.
Yeah, that's right.
And so, but you considered him as a independent because of whatever reasons that you might. ठीक हो,
एक चीज ये भी देख लीजिए, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में जो डिक्लेरेशन है ना इनका,
जी सर,
उसमें तो कहते हैं that I am at present affiliated with Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Nazariyati and a certificate from political party Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Nazariyati showing that I am party candidate from the above said constituency is attached.
So sir, this is my.
It's not attached. This is your record.
Ji, but sir, he makes a statement on oath saying that I am at present in PTIN.